In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to check pending Robux in PC. So let's get started. So first of all, open any web browser that you use. In my case, it's Brave. And then search in roblox.com. So once you're there on the website, now you want to check how many Robux are pending. So it usually takes around 1 week for all the Robux to come onto your account. So you have to wait 1 week after you earn the Robux. So let's say you play Please Donate and you earned some Robux from there. Now you want to check how much Robux are left to come into your account. So you check that, you're gonna click on this Robux sign and then click on the first option where it says your amount Robux. So you're gonna click on it and then it's gonna open a menu like this. So here, as you guys can see, the menu options: sales of goods, pending Robux, and total. So let's say in Please Donate, someone bought your Game Pass. So it's gonna show the total amount that you have earned in the past 30 days from whatever game you play, and then the amount of pending Robux is gonna show up right here. So let's say someone bought your Game Pass for 5 Robux. The pending Robux, if you want to check how much are coming into your account, you can just go here and click on the first option, and then you can check the amount of Robux from here. So in my case right now it's 0 because all of the Robux is already pending in my account. So yeah, so alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.